15. Essential investment tips on the Indian stock market. 1. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across various sectors. 2. Invest in what you know. Invest in companies you're familiar with and understand their business model. 3. Long-term perspective. The real money in investing is made in the waiting. Be patient. 4. Do your homework research thoroughly before making any investment decisions. 5. Don't panic sell. Stay calm during market downturns. Panic selling can lead to significant losses. 6. Monitor economic indicators. Keep an eye on economic indicators as they can influence stock performance. 7. Rebalance your portfolio, regularly review and adjust your portfolio to align with your financial goals. 8. Understand market cycles. Recognize the cyclical nature of markets to better time your investments. 9. Focus on quality. Invest in high-quality stocks with strong fundamentals. 10. Stay informed. Keep yourself updated with market news and trends. 11. Risk management. Have a risk management strategy in place to protect your investments. 12. Start early. The earlier you start investing, the more you benefit from compound interest. 13. Educate yourself. Continuously educate yourself about market trends and investment strategies. 14. Set clear goals. Define your investment goals clearly to stay focused and motivated. 15. Avoid frequent trading. Frequent trading can eat into your profits due to transaction costs.